Ano ba nangyari? Madami nangyari after Sunlight. Yun nga po, dapat babalik ako. I was supposed to be in a boy band. I didn't continue with that. I didn't accept the contract as well. Why? Kasi it just wasn't the best choice for me at that time. It just wasn't the right fit at that time in my life. So, ayun, I stayed here. I told my dad I'm still gonna continue my studies. I actually took a test last week sa DepEd, so that I can go to college already. Because the choices were, it's either I wait till they have 11th grade for K-12 for online schools so that it fits with my schedule then. Pero they don't have it yet, so it's either I wait or I take a test and go to college already. So I said I'm not gonna waste my time. No, I have to start studying. While I'm working, I want to learn as well. Before it's too late, before I'm too old for it. I mean, you're never too old for education, pero as long as
Slow down.
Until, what's the right word? Hanggang nandito pa yung knowledge ko, hanggang hindi pa nawawala, hanggang fresh pa from high school, I still want to use it, I don't even know what I want to take up, to be honest. Pero I just want to learn.
May tanong dito, bakit daw parang nami-mental block ka?
Kasi nandito si Papa, hindi ako makapagsalita pa nandito si Papa. Palagi niya ako pinagtatawanan. Earlier, he was laughing on the side when I was alone, I was talking. Every time I'm with my dad, I always get nervous.